Hello everyone, we're here with Cotty in a box. We're doing another unboxing. Cotty has an ouchie. Did you see her ouchie? Look at her nose. She has an ouchie. George Luke the Stray attacked her the other day. Yesterday. So she's got scar on her nose now. She's no longer pretty. So, but we have an unboxing. She wants more cookies. She deserves cookies. She was traumatized. George Luke really attacked her. So, he is a psycho stray. So let's get this unboxing done. Cuddy's got to move though. So this is what we have. We got to move Cuddy. Move her down there. We have a box. Pretty good sized box. Let's open this. You don't want another ouchie. You stay away from this. Make sure I'm getting this in frame. It's a couple items from the same seller. It should be a couple items. Should be 3 items. Ugh. That's it. Yeah, that's just... This seller pack's really nice compared to some that I've had with no packing. So, really like the seller. The seller is really awesome. Fast scrap. Figure this out. Can we guess what it is? What do I do a lot of on this channel? I just got one of those from this same seller. Well, it's the newer model than this one. Gotta be careful not to scratch it. This seller packs really well. A little too well. It's a little hard to open. But look at this. Another System General. It's in a little nicer condition. It's got a BGA 64 socket. Let's look at this one. Yeah, these are like really industrial programmers. Looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Warranty seal's already broke. Cool. Does it power up? Let's find out. Then we'll get to the other items. And this will go with the other unit. Fans are a little noisy. And will it connect to the computer? It probably needs its firmware update to work, but I'll check the computer out here. Let's see, where is that? I know I have it in here. There it is. Connecting. Ooh, didn't like that. Let's try that again. This would be a 9600, I believe. Connect. Is it going to connect? Update firmware. It's updating the firmware. See activity. This is a good sign. This one might actually work. Oh, the other one worked too. Got the other one right here. I haven't done nothing yet to it. Here's the other one. Yeah, they do their model numbers weird on these, but that's the other one. This is like a T9200, but it's more modern than the 9600. Yeah, T9200. And firmware update complete. Please recycle the power of the programmer and restart the software. Let's see what it does. Yeah, those fans are a little noisy, but yeah, I wonder if you can run multiple of these programmers. So, citing numbers of the modules are not assigned properly. Okay. Machine serial number 03211. Is that correct? 03211 right there. Awesome. Okay. And preparing for the hardware self-test. Okay, these take a little bit, so it should work, I hope. I'll be tearing both of these down. See what the difference is between the T9600 internally and the 9200 internally. So, it takes a while to do the self-test, so. We'll let that do its thing. We have these other items to open. All right, let's see what the self-test did. Please remove all devices from the socket. The programmer is about to run the self-test. There are no devices in the socket. Calibrating the DACs. DRAM test. We're going to escape to abort that. Socket board, detected the socket board. Socket board info. It's had 3,173 or 3,299 insertions. So it's been used a bit. And we got a fail light blinking. What's going on there? Maybe that was just because I had that. Yeah, I opened up the software. I interrupted it. And I'm going to turn this fan off. It's pretty loud. So I think that's going to work. This is just an unboxing, not a complete show. Now these are cool. I do a little bit of RF work, and I seen these, and I was like, oh, I need a couple. So these are Brick's digital attenuators. LDA 602s. It still has caps on it, like brand new. This one don't have caps, but what's the serial number on this one? 6363? 6367. Real close. These are cool. These are like 60 dB attenuators. So let's, I didn't know what USB connector was, so I just threw a few up here. That one powers up. We have a power light. That's a good thing. I'll be tearing one of these down too. Voiding it, removing that warranty sticker. Brick attenuator. And serial number 6363. That seems that one detects. Let's power it down. Let's see if we can get that. Can you see the light? Maybe it'll power down. I don't know what it'll do. Power down. Light go off? No, light didn't go off. Control. This will be cool. Let's see if the other one works. It powers up. Attenuation steps. I'll have to do something on this software. So 6367. I think that was the serial number on that one. 6367. So everything powers up. That is awesome. Let's see what's on the other side of that BGA. That don't look too involved. We'll have to take this apart. It'll be on the website. I'll put the blog post down in the description. There's already one on the other System General programmer. But that's it, everybody. 15 minutes of time wasted. Thanks for watching.